Welcome to our channel. If you want to connect your Apple TV to Wi-Fi with a complete tutorial, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Ensure your Apple TV is powered on and connected to your television, then press the menu button to navigate to the home screen. Step 2. Use your Apple TV remote to scroll and select settings from the main menu options. Step 3. In the settings menu, scroll down and select Network to access your network connection settings. Step 4. Choose Wi-Fi from the available connection types to view all wireless networks within range. Step 5. From the list of available networks, select your home Wi-Fi network by clicking on it. Step 6. Use the on-screen keyboard to enter your Wi-Fi password, paying attention to uppercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Step 7. After entering the password, select Connect or Done to initiate the connection process. Step 8. Wait for your Apple TV to establish the connection, which typically takes a few seconds, and confirm successful connection by checking for a check mark. You can now stream content, download apps, and enjoy all Apple TV features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.